Congratulations once and for all that you have been. Beautiful ceremony, first of its kind, that you have presented today. A beautiful ceremony the children will remember for their life. This ceremony has left indelible mark in their memories, in their lifespan, in the life history. They will carry this memory throughout their lifetime, and later, 15, 20, 25 years later, when they see what has happened so many years ago, they feel proud. And St. Joseph School, Kasganj, is proud to present this beautiful ceremony, graduation ceremony of UKG children. They have truly graduated indeed. The very presentation, the speeches, and the MC work, 2 by 2 coming in, it's something beautiful. It's honorable to be present here with you to see these children grow. They came to the school with the tears, now they are graduating without fears. There are no fear, no tear, but full of smiles. Congratulations, dear children, and God bless you all. You have done a wonderful job. We have crossed one rung of life. Now you are going to take another step in your life of class 1. This class 1 is going to be the first one in your life, and going to be, you are the one who will be winning all together, all the way to reach the top rung. Like we have many who have made our country proud, made our schools proud, made our parents proud, you too will do much more than what they have done. I bless you, and I congratulate all the parents who have encouraged the children to partake in the school and be part of the school from the very inception. Something beautiful in their life which we have planted. This is the seed that is going to grow gradually, and you will yield fruit. वो बंदर उनके ऊपर जो छत पे है, वो बंदर को निकाल के फेंकना पड़ेगा। हम सब का एक वजूद बनता है कि हम सब इन बच्चों को, अगर हम जिंदगी में कुछ बनाना चाहते हैं और कुछ बनना देखना चाहते हैं, तो हमें इस बंदर से दूर रखना पड़ेगा। उन लोगों ने बताया ये बंदर कितना खतरनाक है, आगे जाके पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है, कौन सा बंदर आएगा, कौन सा चीता आएगा, दुनिया कहाँ से कहाँ जाएगी, हमारे बच्चे कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँचाएंगे, हमें कुछ नहीं पता। लेकिन अभी हमें पता है कि हमें इस सब चीज़ों का काबू में रखना है, ताकि बच्चे अच्छी चीज़ सीखें, अच्छा कदम उठाएं और अच्छी चीज़ें जिंदगी के लिए अमल करके संजोए रखें, ताकि आगे जाके बच्चे जो हैं जो निकलेंगे, निखर के आएंगे और शाइन करेंगे जैसे हम चाहते हैं। इस स्कूल का मोटो जिस तरह से लगा हुआ है वो उनकी जिंदगी का हिस्सा बने और वैसे ही आगे बढ़ते जाएं और अपने जीवन के लिए, अपने परिवार के लिए, अपने चाहने वालों के लिए, हमारे देश के लिए ये 4 चांद लगा के आगे बढ़ेंगे। ये हमारी विनती है, हमारी आशा है और हमारी शुभकामनाएं हैं और हमारा आशीर्वाद भी है। God bless you children. Congratulations father, congratulations teachers and all of you for doing this beautiful work that is memorable one, beautiful one, and will be an indelible mark in the school, for the school, and for the life of the children. God bless you all. Thank you very much.